Hey.
Hello fam, and welcome back to my channel. I welcome you all to Bonsa, which also happens to be the name of this river which flows through the town. In this town is a long abandoned factory which we'll be taking a look at today. Join me as we explore. This town is located on the LiQWYD to Takwa road. The road you see there leads to Takwa, and that's the Bonsa toll booth you see far ahead. And this side also leads to Takrady.
So, this is the property of Ghana. Those are the bungalows. And the factory is over there.
The factory was established in the year 1963.
Oh.
And this factory hasn't been functioning since the early 1990s. One thing you're going to observe throughout this video is how the whole place has been taken over by bush or weeds.
Bonsa Tyre Factory. There's one
Everything is just rotting away.
place to be go. Oh, these big factories. Hey. So this is the current state of the factory. I think it has been dead since, I think for several years now. The factory hasn't been functioning. It's all scraps now. And this produce tire, car tires over here, and tire products. Oh, God up our country, Ghana. But I say a place be too bushy. Oh, snake set.
Now, at first glance, you would think this bungalow has been deserted or isn't being occupied, but once I go closer, I realize people are actually living here. And as seen in the factory, this place is also bushy. All the residential buildings here have been given out for rent. As to who rents them out, I can't tell. But it looks like the maintenance of the property has been very poor, because the whole place looks bushy.
So behind me is the vast land, all belonging to the Bonsa Tyre factory. Very, very huge land. And so sad, no more tyre productions. They used to produce huge volumes of tyres, all sizes, to feed the country, but now all is dead and gone. I'm sure these are part of the tyres they produced here. This is an example.
If you've made it this far, I say a big thank you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the state of this factory? If it can be revived, or if there's nothing to be done about it. And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us to grow this channel and to go out there and bring you more videos. Stay blessed, and know I love you all. Till next time, bye bye.